Alright, you guys, so today we're going to learn how to do twists. Just put a little bit of water in your hair. Spritz it real good. Now take a brush and brush it out. This is a detangling brush because y'all know my hair is like nap central. So you got to brush them out. Now take a blow dryer, pass it through there to make sure it's pulled nice and straight. So that way when you do twist, your hair is not sticking out. Okay? So now you're going to smooth it. Pull this back. You know it's in the way. Alright, now smooth it some more. Take a blow dryer, do it a couple more times. And then what you're going to do is get your favorite moisturizer and put it in your hair. Because if you don't use moisturizer, your hair going to fall out. You might as well not even do your hair at all. Because when you get done, if you don't use no moisturizer, it's going to break off. So if you want hair when you get done, put some moisturizer in it. Smooth it through, girl. Smooth it through. Alright, so now what we're going to do, take your rat tail comb. And you're going to part it. Doing hair is kind of like being a scientist. Because you splitting stuff. Split it in half. It's like splitting atoms. Alright, so you're going to take this, twist it up, pull it in the back, up. Alright, now you're going to take this little section. You don't even have to do this part. I think I just wanted to use a little brush because it was cute. Alright, so take this little section, part it in half. Now take that piece, roll it up, pull it back. Right here, part this little piece because this is what you're going to do your twist with, okay? Right back here, we got the hair bar, girl. Yes, pick a color, any color. You can get the hair from your local beauty supply store. How you doing? Alright, so twist it up in there. Twist it, twist it. Now, if you didn't catch that, we're about to do it again. Don't fret. Right here. Now pay attention. Pay close attention. Gotcha! You should have been paying attention the first time. Rewind it. Alright. This is a dummy run too. Alright, so I've already done one side. This side hasn't been done. This side has been done. We're going to dip this side to kind of tame it and seal the ends. Because we ain't trying to walk around and have our hair flying around everywhere. Okay? So dip it in there real good. It's boiling water. H2O. Scientist. Alright, so flick it back. Finished product. I didn't really take any good after pictures because these weren't even intentional after pictures. Who thinks about taking after pictures when your hair looks so good? I mean, come on now. But if you like the style, go try it yourself because it's really easy. And it's cute. Okay. Until next time. Toodles!